वाइन के शौकीन, चले सुला वॉक इन। सुला, full spaces of Sula wine.
You have arrived.
Oh yeah, we have arrived. आपका कमिंग वीकेंड यादगार बनाने की जिम्मेदारी ली है LSD ने। अगर आप वाइन के शौकीन हैं तो आपको ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना चाहिए और अगर हो सके तो दोस्तों या फैमिली के साथ ये दिवाली सुला वाइन में बिताएं। वैसे भी पटाखे कोर्ट ने बंद करवा दिए, साउंड सरकार ने और मिठाई डॉक्टर ने। Sula Wine has a huge parking space for all the vehicles. Yo, excited? So are we. Let's see what's inside. These are the current rates. चलिए, let's explore Sula today. हमने ये वीडियो 2 पार्ट्स में बनाया है। इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे वाइन के छुपे कुछ राज और सेकंड पार्ट में होगा वाइन टेस्टिंग। These are the vineyards where our favorite wines are made. Come, follow me.
Safety first here.
You need to register yourself for a 1-hour tour. After that, you can roam around. Wow, now that's a big bottle. Let's see around. Woohoo! That's a top view of the same vineyard we just saw. Beautiful, isn't it? What's next? Oh yeah, the cycle looks good. Yellow. I wonder how it would look if I sit on it. That's how. Under the Sula sun, let's go and explore how wine is made. How is the difference between white wine and red
Sula
wine
has
and many
2,400
more.
acres of land, where in that contract farming is also included. Mr. Rajiv Samandasi and the founder. Now, Mr. Rajiv was in California, was studying there, was working there. Once in 90s, he got a chance to visit India, and when he stepped here, the climatic condition of this place, it resembled him about Napa valleys. Might have heard about the place Napa. Now, Nasik is the grape capital of India. Like the best qualities of grapes are being grown here, but in that period, no one was growing grapes. So that's how this idea clicked him. He went back to California. He met a person called Mr. Kerry Dembski. Mr. Kerry is the master winemaker of Sula. Both of them, they came together, and that's how Sula is. Now, when you talk about these grapes, the grape what you eat at your place and the grapes what are used for winemaking are totally very different. What you eat, they are table grapes, very big, very pulpy. Water content is very high. But what are used for winemaking, we call it as Vitis vinifera. Very small, very tiny. We get these grapes only in 3 months, January, February, March, because of the climatic conditions. For red wines, we need red color, and the color has to be taken out naturally from a grape. Now when you say wine, wine has to be made only with the grape, nothing to be added, like no water, no color, no sugar, no alcohol. In case if you add anything inside it, that's not a wine. We call it as fortified wine. You might have heard about port wines. When you take a sip of port, that's very sweet, alcohol is very high, because when they make port, they add sugar, they add grape brandy to it externally. This process is called fortification, and we mention it as a fortified wine. But when you say a wine, it has to be grape only. So guys, just a small question. Using a green grape, we can make a white wine. Using a red grape, we can make a red wine. In any manner, is it possible? Can we make a white wine using a red grape? Yes?
Maybe.
Yes, no? How come? Any idea? For a red grape, the color, the pulp of the grape inside is always neutral in color, white in color. So if you just press a red grape, take out the pulp, Yes, you can make a white out of it, but you cannot make a red wine using a green grape here because you won't get the color.
Let's enter inside and see how wine is made and preserved. The roads are calling again. People have started coming out of their home.
Fermentation room. As the grape juice it goes inside. To convert grape juice into wine, we add one yeast inside it, and the name of the yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, a particular yeast that's used for winemaking. Now, as we are adding yeast inside it, this yeast it has a tendency to eat the sugar inside it. It consumes the sugar and it brings out two byproducts, carbon dioxide and alcohol. So that's a natural process of we get the alcohol to it. Now, when it's a white wine being made, it's only the grape juice that it comes, we ferment, filter, and it goes for bottling. But for red wines, we need to take out the color from the grapes. So entire grape along with the skin it comes inside. To take out the color, we go for a process called maceration, where the skin is left with the grape juice for 2 to 3 days, and then we add yeast inside it. You might have heard about red wines are good for health. There is any particular reason why only a red wine, why not a white wine? Because if you use a red grape, using a red grape, you can make a white wine. Using the same grape, you can make a red wine. But if the base is same for both the wine, then why it's only red good for health? Why not a white wine?
No idea.
Due to the skin.
Oh.
When you use the skin, it not only gives out the color, but that's a pigment called tannins, and tannins are antioxidant. Might have heard about green tea,
Yes.
which has very high amount of antioxidant. But when you compare a cup of tea and a glass of red wine serves you the highest amount of antioxidant, and that's very good for health. But guys, as I say, red wines are very good for health, guys. I really don't mean to say like when you wake up in the morning, skip your tea and start a day with a glass of red wine. It's just a glass in a day that suits your body. So that's a white wine, a red wine, barrels of the kegs. Let's go to the barrel room. I'll let you know about the aging part. This way, please.
Barrel room is the aging room.
Oh, okay. It's a frozen place with all the barrels around me.
In Sula, aging is done from 2 months to 18 months. India is very warm. Temperature here is very high, and thus they need to create artificial temperature of 15 degrees to 18 degrees Celsius. In colder countries, they can age wine for longer duration. Every barrel gives a flavor to the wine, like wood, oak, smoke, dark chocolate, red berries, spicy flavors. Stay tuned and watch the second video to see what happened, which was the wine we tasted, and why am I doing this.
लगा
Wine is the answer. What was the question?